Candy Cane Cancel with Expert Village. So in this clip we're going to make the casing for our little shoe bag. So the first thing you want to do is turn it inside out. And you're going to fold over the very top, and you just want to make sure that your buttonhole is centered. Once you do that, just go around the whole thing and pin it. And you just want to make sure that it's fairly even, going all the way around. And again, when you hit the other seam, just make sure that your buttonhole is encased inside the seam. Go all the way around and pin, and then you're ready to stitch. So you're just going to put your machine back on a regular stitch and put about 3 stitch length. You can have a larger stitch length on this. And just start on one side, one seam, and you'll just be sewing all the way around. When you get to the very end, just match up. And you're ready to go ahead and put in your casing.